Way they go. Run like the wind from the outside. Si Tonet down on the inside. It's now si Tonet followed by Run like the wind. New chapter. Madam Leonora is racing forward by Daryl from the outside. Queen Esther alongside Dreaming Again from this moment is racing in 7th position. Renzi stays moving up by Daryl Small Star. Amarosa Wild Drive inside the last 700. Sitonet New Chapter, and moving up is Madam Leonora. In the middle portion is Run Like the Wind. And nearing the far turn, New Chapter, Chitonet, Run Like the Wind. Madam Leonora is racing by Darrell, and entry number 6, Queen Esther. Rushing up is Dreaming Again, Renzi stays. Last 450, Chitonet by a length and a half. Madam Leonora down on the inside as they race the final corner. Si Tonet and Madam Leonora fighting it up for the lead. Dreaming Again on the outside. Renzi stays in the middle. New Chapter Run Like the Wind. And nearing the finish line, Madam Leonora. Dreaming Again rushing up from the outside. It's now Dreaming Again. Renzi stays. Madam Leonora. And finally Dreaming Again. Renzi stays. Madam Leonora. Run Like the Wind, Sitonet. And for your super sa is number 6, and this one is Queen Esther.